Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech Guru. In this video I'm going to talk about the Realme GT Neo 2. What are the top 3 advantages of this smartphone? Yes friends, just today only the Realme GT Neo 2 has been launched, and a lot of users they did ask me a couple of questions as is it worth to buy or not, and what are the advantages and disadvantages. Can you please explain in one single video? So instead of making a video on advantages first and next I'll try to go to the disadvantages. After using the phone only we can actually come to the conclusion about the disadvantage. But right now you need to know these 3 things are main key point for the Realme GT Neo 2. These are really new things which we did not see before in the Realme phones. That's the reason why I thought of highlighting these 3 points. The first main point is about the touch sampling rate. The Realme GT Neo 2 will be having 600Hz touch sampling rate. So we did not see this one before in the Realme phones. No. So there are a couple of other phones which can offer 720Hz touch sampling rate, and a lot of I think a few of the gaming phones as well. Even the Moto H20 also can offer 576Hz touch sampling rate, 48Hz touch sampling rate in other I think Poco F3 GT and a few phones. But 600Hz touch sampling rate is really good deal, I would say, in the Realme GT Neo 2 for the gamers. So this is one new thing which I'm really interested to test in the practical world, how much we can actually get by default. That's what I'm going to exactly say, and that's the one advantage in the Realme GT Neo 2 which we did not see before. And second advantage for this Realme GT Neo 2 is something to do with the thermal cooling system. Yes, the cooling system in this Realme GT Neo 2 will be having the diamond coated particles to cool down the processor. Yes, this for the first time a smartphone is using, and first time in the Realme phone, of course. So this is the second most important thing you should know about the Realme GT Neo 2, which is regarding the diamond coated thermals which will be having cooling system in the phone. So the phone will be having the Snapdragon 870 chipset as well. So even the Snapdragon 870 is not that heating in terms of the usage. I do have a couple of other phones, so there's not much heating detected, but still with this kind of thermal paste with the diamonds to keep this processor cool, that's going to be really interesting to test in the practical situation how much the phone can actually maintain the low temperatures. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate once I get hands-on with this device. And the third main feature which we did not see before, which is about 360 degrees connectivity. I mean 11 antennas, not 7, 11 antennas you'll be seeing, and 360 degrees connectivity will be there in terms of the 4G connection or with the Wi-Fi connection as well. So if you translate this Chinese language into the English language, you can get this kind of option, which is 360 surrounded wireless, 11 antennas. As you can see, 360 surrounded side of the phone, and smart signal, so which will automatically detect the smart signal, and that will allocate the signal. That's another good thing, as you can see. So this is another new thing which we did see first time in this Realme phone. Basically we may see in other phones, but in the Realme phones this is another thing. But last tip which I can give you is regarding this battery. Yes, the phone has got 5000 mAh of battery, 65 watts charging, and which can charge in 36 minutes of time. Just 36 minutes only, friends. So 100%, if you start from 0% to 100%, 36 minutes. If you start charging your phone from 15% or 20%, maybe you can within, I think it can charge within 30 minutes or 25 minutes as well. That's another most interesting part about this Realme phone at this moment. We did see other phones implementing, but we are seeing this kind of first time in the Realme phone using this kind of high capacity battery along with high fast charging as well. So these are the few important things which you should know about the Realme GT Neo 2. 3 things are new things, and this is the 4th thing is an additional bonus advantage which we are getting in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick review which I am doing on the Realme GT Neo 2. What are the advantages, and you should know about these 3 different things which are completely new in this Realme GT Neo 2. I think it's going to be a really good thing, friends, and I'm really interested to do the review on this one, Realme GT Neo 2, because I did get a lot of bored using the same specifications again and again and again in the Realme phones. That's what I meant. But right now we did see this kind of new trend is going on. That's really good to see. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.